Raise your hand if you've ever heard the term control freak. Guess what? You're looking at one. But I understand that if you control what you're doing, things will get done better and faster. So down the rabbit hole of control we go in this chapter. We're going to look at final destination, working toward a goal, and then controlling how we do it. Are you going to print? Are you going to the web? We're going to talk about that. Begin with the end in mind. We're going to control multiple documents. We're going to look at controlling our view and navigation features. We're going to look at controlling objects with grids and guides. We're going to control what we see. We're going to look at default measuring systems and controlling those. We're going to create multiple views of one object. We're going to look at hiding and locking things to control them. And we're going to look at using multiple artboards. Remember, Adobe Illustrator doesn't use pages, it uses artboards. This chapter is all about control. Control is efficiency, and that's what we are going to do. Let's get started.